guys, this is Tressa with Art & Company. We put together a short video to show you how to complete your tax organizer online and submit your tax documents to us online as well. So before we can e-file any tax return, we have to have a completed tax organizer. Of course, the fastest way to do that and easiest is online. If you still prefer to use a paper copy, that's okay. I will show you in this video how you can go to your client portal and print one out. All right, so how do you access your online organizer? Well, mid-January is when we push out the organizers, so you will receive an automated email letting you know they have arrived. So you access your client portal by going to our website, artcpas.com, and click on Login in the upper right-hand corner, and then Client Portal. It'll prompt you to enter your username, which is in the automated email you receive in January, and a password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it here. I have a test client set up for our tour today. So this is your client portal. So there's a lot of places and things you can do inside your portal, but today we're going to focus on the tax organizer. You click on this orange button called Tax Organizer. This is the cover letter, which you might want to reference a couple of things on. Here are a list of 6 things to remind you to do before you send or submit your tax organizer to us, which I'll show you how to do in a second. And then a list of documents we need to have to support the information that's going on your tax return. All right, so the best place to start is the questionnaire and the web questionnaire, a series of questions that you'll answer yes or no to. This is really important to read through because it's going to let us know of some information that has changed through the year that we wouldn't know unless you told us. There are some text boxes you could add information to, but if it's not enough or you've got some questions, then go to the next folder called Notes to Prepare. And here you can just start typing away. I love this tool. But anyway, the next folder to go into is the General folder, where you're going to confirm some information or enter information that might be missing or has perhaps changed, like date of birth or address. If you have a new dependent this year, you might have told us that, but we might be missing the date of birth information, social security number. So if you don't put that information in here, we're just going to have to contact you later about it. So it does really speed up return processing time to the extent you can fill this information in. Client contact information, if it's missing, just go ahead and add it. This third folder is your bank information, which will tell us where to put your direct deposit, or if you have a balance due, where you want your payment to withdraw from. If the information that carried forward is correct, just put an X right there letting us know. And if it's missing, just go ahead and put the information in there. The next one is very important as well. It's called identity authentication. This is for your driver's license information. If you don't see anything in there, go ahead and put it in for taxpayer and spouse. If it has carried over, then from last year, go ahead and check the expiration date because they do expire. In the income folder is a list of W-2s, 1099s, and K-1s that you received last year. You do not need to enter that data, but do tell us whether or not you expect to receive these W-2s from these employers this year, or if it's NA, just put the number 2 to let us know. That'll delete it. And finally here, if you've got business Schedule C income, if you've got rental properties or farm income, these folders allow you to go in there and see what you gave us last year, because the last year's numbers are put in for comparative purposes, and you can then drop in your current year information for income and expenses. So it serves as a really good guide so that you don't miss your current year deductions to know, oh yeah, I did have some office expenses last year and it was $900. Then you can just go ahead and put the number and key it in here. All right, so if you don't get all this done in one sitting, which you probably won't, don't forget you can save and close your work so that when you get some forms in or have more time later, you can just go back in. If you want a paper copy of the organizer, super easy to do. Click on Create PDF icon. One will be downloaded for you, and then you can print it and work off of it manually. Just keep in mind you'll have to bring in the organizer as well as all of your tax documents to our office because you cannot email this information. Or you can, you shouldn't. All right, so then that leads me to my next point. How do you upload your tax documents to save you a trip to the office? Click on this Uploaded Tax Documents folder. Then right here, you're going to click on the Upload icon. Click on Add Files. Go find the file you want that you've scanned in and you want to send to us. Click Open, Start Upload. And it pulls the file in. And so you can at this point save and close because you don't have all your files and you can upload them later. But that's how you do it. Now, at this point, we can't see anything that you've done. In order to submit the organizer to us, you have to click on Send to Prepare. You get this message saying, okay, you can say okay to send, or if you need to enter more information because you're not done, click Cancel, which is what I'm going to do here because I don't want to submit it. Now, what if you send the organizer to us and then after the fact receive some more information that you should have included? That's okay. Go back into your portal, the main dashboard page, click on File Exchange, this folder right here. Eventually, when you submit it, Tax Organizer is going to go away. The rest of the year, if you ever want to send us information, click on the File Exchange folder. Go into Information for my CPA and click Upload, Add File, it's the same process, and pull in your file. Start upload. We are notified that a new file has come in that needs to be put on your tax return, and so we'll be sure to do that for you. And that is, I think, about it. So if you guys have any issues navigating or getting around or any problems, definitely give us a call at 882-9000. And other than that, we look forward to seeing you guys very soon. Thanks for watching.